Hello everyone, in this video I will do animation with the skeleton tool in OpenToonz. So I have this drawing which I have created and I have split it into multiple columns on the X sheet. So like this is the hand, this is the cap, and I've named all the columns which makes it easier for me to do the animation. So the next step would be to go to the animation tab. Over here we have the stage schematic option. You click on it twice and we have this window open. In the stage schematic, we have the table, the camera, and all the columns which I created for the drawing are listed over here. And all of them are connected to the table. For the animation to work properly, I need to connect these columns in the proper order, which means that the neck should be connected to the main body. So this is the main body and this is the neck. Okay, so I'll just click on the blue dot and connect it to the red dot over here. Now the neck is connected to the main. Similarly, this is the cap. I'll click on the blue dot and move it to the red dot. Now the cap is connected to the neck. So like this, we have to connect all of these. Okay, so once everything is complete, it should look like this. So the main, the leg, the right leg is connected to the main. Okay, and now this is the shoe, this is left. I'll connect the blue dot, the leg, the right leg. Now this is complete. Once this is complete, we can continue with the animation process. So we just click on the stage schematic twice and we are out of that window. We go to the drawing tab. So if I click on the skeleton tool right now and go on the top and click on build skeleton, it won't work properly. I'm not getting any options. To fix this, first I have to click on the animate tool on the top, this one. I have to click on all the columns. This is the shoe, the left shoe, and this is the center of the left shoe. I have to move it over here. Same goes with the right shoe. Like this, I have to move the center points. This is the leg, left leg. Once this is complete, we can click on the skeleton tool, which is this bone icon. Keyboard shortcut is V. And on the top, we have to select the build skeleton option. If you look at this drawing, it's already showing the skeleton has been created. This is done based upon the settings that I selected in the stage schematic in the correct order and the center point which I selected using the animate tool for all the columns of the drawing. Go and choose one of these two options. One is the animate option, okay, and the other one is inverse kinematics. If I choose animate, then I have to animate each column one by one, and if I choose inverse kinematics, I can just animate one part of the column and the remaining parts which are linked with it will get animated automatically. So I'll choose inverse kinematics. Let's go to frame 2, select kite, and then do this. And you can see that it's putting a keyframe for all the columns which are connected with the kite. The string, the hand, all of them. So this is how the animation will look once I play it. Let me just change this to 8, the frames. So this is the basic animation with the skeleton tool. And if we mix the plastic tool with the skeleton tool, we can make much improved and better animations. If you want to know how to use the plastic tool, you can watch my previous video. Thank you.